Ever tried to hold in a sneeze? It might feel harmless, but inside your body, something intense is happening. When you block a sneeze, all that built up pressure has nowhere to go, so it stays trapped inside your head. That pressure can shoot toward your ears, sometimes even causing discomfort or damage. Your chest tightens as the air gets forced back instead of released naturally. You're basically stopping a powerful reflex your body is trying to complete, and that force has to go somewhere. So next time, don't hold it in, just cover your mouth and let it out safely.